Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today a video on LED bulbs guys, and if those are legal or not, and we'll show you in some cases when they're legal and when they're not, depending again on where you live. Always check your regulations. We're working here on some Audi projects guys, putting new turbo engine in it, but that Mercedes right here, that will be the test vehicle that we'll demonstrate on now. So we installed LED lights on it. Okay, that's the company, we like them, we used them before. But where we live, if you have projectors, okay, like that, you can legally install LED bulbs, because it's kind of like the xenon headlights. So they let you do that. But again, check where you live. If you don't have projectors on low or high beams, you cannot do that. And the reason for that is because the pattern is different, the bulb is brighter, and you're going to blind the oncoming traffic. This one here does not have projector, it's an ordinary high beam headlight. So what we're going to do now, we'll demonstrate why you should never use a LED headlight bulb without projectors. Stay with us now. So we'll go ahead and turn the low beams first. Okay, I want to show you the comparison LED versus no LED. Okay, so that's LED low beams. So you can see it's bright, but that's non-LED. Okay, factory. Okay, and let me show you how they spread the light. Almost identical, right? So not much difference. That's great. But still, in our case, factory bulb has a better spread of light for some reason. Even though we have projectors. You can see the other one just looks kind of like more whitish, bluish color. Okay, but now let's check the high beams. Okay, why you should never have LED bulbs if you don't have projectors? Because you're going to go blind. Check it out now. The camera cannot focus. Look at that. It's just crazy. Okay, now this side, you can look into it and you're not going to be blind in a couple of seconds. So let me demonstrate on the door now, and it's not even nighttime guys. Okay, so check it out now. Okay, the original bulb on the left side, it's non-LED, and you can see how it spreads it. It's way better pattern. And check the right side now. Okay, the right side is the LED, and this one is going to blind the oncoming traffic, and you don't want to be the person looking at that bulb. So just be honest guys, let's do a fair play. Don't blind people just for the looks of your vehicle. Of course, you can install aftermarket headlights for most vehicles. They sell them with projectors, so that way you can install bulbs. But if you do it right. So thank you guys for watching us. Again, check where you live. Different places have different regulations and laws, so always make sure that you follow those. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.